Expressing the future in time clause. Bob will come soon. When Bob comes, we will see him. When Bob comes is a time clause. So when plus subject plus verb makes a time clause. When Bob comes is in the future. Will or be going to are not used in the time clause. When Bob comes expresses future and there is no will or be going to, and there is no need for will or be going to, and you shouldn't use will or be going to. We can use when, before, after, as soon as, until, and while to make time clauses. For example, Linda is going to leave soon. Before she leaves, she is going to finish her work. Before she leaves is a time clause. Before she comes, she is going to finish her work. The time clause can come at the beginning of the sentence, like here, before she leaves, comma, she is going to finish her work, or in the second part of the sentence. For example, she is going to finish her work before she leaves. When he comes, we will talk. We will talk when he comes. When the time clause comes at the beginning of the sentence, we have comma. And when it comes in the second part of the sentence, there is no need for comma. We don't use comma. So a comma is used when the time clause comes first in the sentence. Now let's work on some more examples. The taxi will arrive soon. As soon as it arrives, we will leave for the airport. As soon as it arrives is a time clause. And there is comma, we will leave for the airport. We can also use time markers such as next week, in 4 days, tomorrow at 12, next day. These make the sentence future. While I'm at school tomorrow at 9, you can text me. Don't call me, text me. I'm at school tomorrow at 9. You can text me. On this one, there is no while, and it still is in future. This is a future time clause with tomorrow at 9. And the next lesson is about present continuous and simple present to express future. So we can use present continuous and simple present to talk about future. Well, what is present continuous? I'm doing. I am teaching. You are listening. What is simple present? I go to gym. I take English classes. I take university classes. These are simple present sentences. We can use these to talk about future too. My wife has an appointment with a doctor. She is seeing is present continuous. She is seeing Dr. North next Tuesday. Next Tuesday makes this sentence future. She is seeing Dr. North. This is a present continuous. But when a time marker like this comes right after it, it makes the whole sentence future. Sam is leaving at noon tomorrow. Sam is leaving is present continuous. At noon tomorrow is a time marker that makes the whole sentence future. And here we are using present continuous to express future with a time marker. I'm meeting John after lunch. So you see we have a time marker here, after lunch. After lunch, I'm meeting John. We also have a time marker here. So when the time marker comes in the second part of the sentence, there is no need for comma. But when it's at the beginning of the sentence, we must use comma. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good time and take care.